Talk to me. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with another wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Divatress. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's get into it. Okay, sis, so again, I received this unit from Divatress and they sent over this unit right here. So girl, we have us a Bobbi Boss unit. Y'all already know how I feel about Bobbi, girl, and it was easy to get this wig out. Yes, honey, because y'all know it'd be difficult to get these units out. Ooh, okay, Bobbi. This is really cute. Hold on, let me get this out. Okay, sis, so this is the unit. The color is gorgeous. Very pretty color. Okay, so we have, girl, stuttering. Okay, so we have Bobbi Boss's Glueless Grip Series unit in the style MLF701 Verona and in the color TFS1B 4302. Ooh, girl, it says it's premium synthetic HD transparent lace. It has a midi fresh, safe and clean cap. It says anti-slip silicone grip, 5x5 deep part, and secure for glueless wear. Girl, right up my alley, because that is what I need right about now. Okay, and it says it's curling iron safe. It comes with baby hairs. It doesn't say up to what temperature with it being curling iron safe, but we all know put it on low heat. If you need to, you know, go up a little bit, do that. But yeah, so yeah, sis, this is the unit. Let's look at this part. So that is the 5-inch deep part. This is the inside of the unit. I imagine the lace, not the lace, the grip is right here. Ooh, if you can see it, that is the grip. And it is quite, I wouldn't say sticky, but you can feel it. Again, there is the 5-inch deep part. It has 2 combs, one on either side, and then a comb at the bottom, along with a little bit more grip and adjustable straps. So yeah, girl, that is the construction of the wig. Again, one more time for this color. And yeah, girl, let's go ahead and put her on. So y'all, I'm just starting off by tinting my cap, because this is a brand new cap and it just needs some powder. Oh, and if you want to know what powder I'm using, it's my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark. Okay, y'all, so now we're just going to throw her on, and I'm not going to tint it because if you just look one more time, it's not really a need to, because it's really no lace right here on the hairline. And the part, I mean, you could just do the part yourself when you put the concealer in. So I'm just going to plop her on. Y'all, so the wig grip, it does have a good grip, kind of like how a glueless unit would be, but it's not that tight. So yeah, it's not that tight, but it does have some type of grip. I was trying to see if I could wear it glueless, and I can, but I probably won't do that for this video. I'm not sure. We'll see. No, I'm not. I'm talking about we'll see. No, because I don't feel, no. Okay, scratch that, y'all. We about to do our regular do using our Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and then I'm just going to blow dry her. Okay, sis, so I'm not going to glue the sides down just because I don't plan on wearing her. I'm going to take her right off after this. So yeah, we're not even going to waste time. So I'm just going to go ahead and start trimming. Okay, sis, so now I'm going to go back in with my Black Radiance palette, and I'm going to tint the lace. Okay, sis, so now I'm just debating if I want to like completely melt her down and or just wear her like this, because you can wear it as a glueless option and it looks really good right now, at least like in person. And it's just, girl, I don't know. But since I didn't glue down the sides, I'll just go ahead and melt her. But you can definitely, because look, my glue didn't take all that well. You can definitely wear her as a glueless option and it looked good. But okay, anyways, let's go ahead and melt her down again using our Got To Be glue. Sis, what lace, girl? It's melted. Like for real, in person, I cannot see where the lace is. Not even joking. Okay, Bobbi. Anyways, girl, so now we're gonna go ahead and style her with our handy hot comb. And yeah. Sis, Sis, do y'all see this? We're looking really good. And we're looking so good with this lace that I think I'm gonna give the lace its moment and not even do any baby hairs. Like, I was gonna do some baby hairs, but girl, the lace is just, I'm feeling the lace. I'm feeling it without any baby hairs. So I think I'm gonna keep it like this. Okay, sis, so now I'm just gonna go in using some oil sheen just because I feel like this unit can use it a little bit just to detangle a little bit, you know. Oh yeah, it needed that. It just made it look 10 times better and just silky versus that side that look a little dry and this side that looks, did y'all see that? Yeah, this side looks silky, that side. Okay, anyways, girl. Okay, so now I'm going to go in one more time with that palette and put some powder down the part. Okay, sis, so here is what we are looking like, and girl, get into this color. The color is so pretty, perfect for the spring / summer, and yeah, girl. So let me turn around so you can see the back. So that was the back, sis. So let's get into these details. So first and foremost, it is a big head friendly unit. You already know your girl has a big head and it fits so comfortable on my head. Even with the grip, I think the grip just gives it just enough like snugness to where like it just fits comfortable. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just a perfect fit. The texture of this hair is, okay, so let me say this. So the texture before I put the oil sheen on was just a little on the drier side, and I want to say maybe because of the color, it is a lot of blonde pieces, so maybe the color has something to do with it. But sis, after I put that oil sheen in, girl, you cannot tell me anything. Like, you can run your fingers through it, you can feel the difference. Like, it's a like silky smooth, like just a really nice feeling. It is like a little tangly or whatever when combing through it without the oil sheen. So I do recommend putting oil sheen in this unit, because without the oil sheen I did receive a lot of tangling, I did receive snags and shedding on this unit, and I still do receive a little bit of shedding. Like right now I'm just pulling out strands or whatever, but after I added the oil sheen, like, it's not a lot. If I didn't add the oil sheen, I probably would have got more strands or whatever. But girl, since I added the oil sheen in, it just added a lot of moisture to it, and it just, girl, it just looked like healthy hair now as opposed to, I mean, the little dryness that it had before. The laces, so let's talk about this lace, because the whole reason why we do not have these baby hairs is because I thought the lace blended perfectly, and I just wanted to give the lace its moment. But after like putting on my shirt and just looking at it a little bit more, I can't see the lace a little bit, like just depending on how I move. Like, I can see it all right here, and maybe it's because of the method I used to tint my lace. I know y'all like, girl, but you said you didn't want to tint your lace in the beginning. But yes, it's beforehand, when I've done a glueless unit from Bobbi Boss and I just like strictly wore it glueless and tinted it with the same powder, like, it was perfect. Like, you couldn't see it at all, girl. People was like, dang sis, like, what lace? It just, it was one of those. This one, the lace is still good. Like, sis, this is some soft lace. Just, I already knew that it was gonna be like melting, like melted. Girl, did that even make sense? I already knew it was gonna melt good, which it did. It did melt good. It wasn't like a struggle to melt it. You know when you get that hard lace and it's like a struggle to melt it, and you're like, girl, this time it's just about the blending of the lace. So maybe if I use a different lace tint or a method of tinting my lace, maybe it would have blended better. So I don't know. I still think that it melted nicely, because again, you can barely see the lace, but you can see the lace just if I turn this way. Like, girl, it's just hit or miss or whatever. But overall, I think it melted nicely. It's okay. It wasn't the best like I thought it was when I was like, girl, what lace? You know what I'm saying? But it still looks good. Girl, what is this? Okay. But it still looks good or whatever. Overall, the unit is very pretty. The color is nice. This is one of those units that will last you a good amount of time, just given the length and just the silkiness after you add the oil sheen. It may shed just a little bit, but overall, girl, this unit should last you at least 3 weeks, if not 4, with good care. So yeah, girl, I have this unit links in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.